Yes. Hello po. Ayan, syempre gusto po namin kayo i-congratulate. Once again, congratulations and thank you po for inviting us here.
At maraming salamat po sa paghihintay niyo sa amin. Thank you po, I'm Ira.
Hello po, good evening po. I'm Maika.
Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Jo Marie.
Hi, good evening. I'm Joanna.
I'm Jaja.
And we're inviting you to watch Itbulaga pa Monday to Saturday. Yan po Itbulaga. Everyday pala. Tapos Party Pilipinas every Sunday. Panoorin niyo po yung gagawin namin this Sunday. And congratulations po.
Yes. I'm Luis.
I'm Donna.
Hello po, good evening po sa inyo. Salamat po sa paghihintay nyo. I'm Danica.
Now, my question to everyone right now is, do you want to have more from the Sex Bomb dancers? Baka naman napipilitan lang kayo. Do you want more from the Sex Bomb dancers? Wow. All right, so we're going to have the pictures of the bride and the groom together with the Sex Bomb girls first. And after which, nako, dapat siguro Jerome and Jeanette should makisabayan sa Sex Bomb. All right. All right. So Jerome, Jeanette, gusto niyo bang makisabayan sa Sex Bomb o sila na lang? No doubt, no doubt. Tapos na raw ang moment nila Jerome and Jeanette kanina.